So this is the Porsche Taycan Turbo S Cross Turismo. A lot of words in that name there, but Porsche Taycan, and this one is in the pink from gtspirit. So let's hurry up and open it. Again, I paid $8,500 for it. So now with the plastic removed, let's open the box, take the car out. So now with the car out of the box, I think it'd be a lot better if we took it off the platform and got a good look from it. So that's what we're gonna do now. So now with the car unscrewed, let's take it off the platform. This one had a foam cushion, which is pretty nice when it comes to protecting the car. So now with the car out of the box and unscrewed and everything, let's take a good look at it. This one is number 381 out of 999, so that's pretty cool. No detail down here, just the number, so that's fine, especially since this is an electric car. The front, the sides, the rims as well, incredibly detailed. And again, just like the other ones, this is pretty heavy as well. Like, sticks out a whole lot. Let's see if we can get a view of the interior. So that's as best as I think I can get it. Since the sun is out, it's causing a reflection. I'm trying to block it with my hand, but I could only do so much. The interior does look pretty detailed. Even the side of the door. Can't see much of the back though, since the back is tinted. The back window is tinted, so that is the car. Now let's get it on the turntable. So that is the Porsche Taycan. To be honest, there isn't a whole lot here to go over. The bottom of the car is all just flat with the number on it. Again, fine. This is an electric car, so wasn't expecting much down there anyway. The sides of the car are pretty simple, basic, but I've always liked the car, and especially in the spec this one is in, I love it. But the price that this was compared to other cars in the store, it's like I had some extra money to spend, so this is what I spent instead of the other cars, which I'm not. I think the other cars were from Ignition Models. I could be wrong on that. I'll correct it somewhere, but those cars were a lot more than this one. And again, on this one, I paid $8,500 for, so $1,000 cheaper, or $1,100 cheaper than the GT, but I still like this car, and I really wanted one, so, and I went ahead and got it, and I'm pretty happy about what I got. It's a simple, basic Porsche Taycan in a beautiful looking pink color that doesn't look so pink on camera, looks more like a silver, but with the desk lights above are on. You can see it in the window. It looks a lot more pink. If I turned them off, everything would get darker, but it's in like a small little, it has a hue of pink in it, is what I'm trying to say. That is about it for this car. Again, pretty simple, but to me worth every penny, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.